Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to sign up for YouTube AdSense. First, your YouTube channel must meet specific eligibility criteria. You need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 valid public watch hours over the past 12 months. Alternatively, 10 million valid public shorts views within 90 days can also qualify you. It is crucial that your channel adheres to all YouTube monetization policies to ensure a smooth application process. Meeting these initial requirements is the first step towards monetizing your content. Once your channel meets the eligibility requirements, the next step is to connect your AdSense account. You will do this through the YouTube Studio by navigating to the Earn section. There, you can either link an existing AdSense account or create a brand new one if you do not already have one. It is essential to provide accurate personal information during this setup, as it will be used for verification and future payments. This step is critical for processing your earnings. After successfully linking your AdSense account, your channel will enter a review queue. During this period, YouTube thoroughly checks your content to ensure it complies with all their monetization policies and community guidelines. The review process typically takes about 30 days, though it can sometimes be quicker or longer depending on various factors. You will receive an email notification informing you of the status of your application, whether it has been approved or requires further action. Patience is key during this stage. Congratulations! Once your AdSense application is approved, advertisements will begin to appear on your eligible videos, allowing you to earn revenue. AdSense operates on a monthly payment cycle, and you will receive your earnings when your accumulated balance reaches the payment threshold of $100. You have the flexibility to choose from various payment methods, such as direct deposit, to receive your funds. Regularly monitoring your performance and earnings within your AdSense account will help you track your progress effectively.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.